Hey guys, welcome to another session of Timeleap Talks. In this session, we are going to go through the storage solution of Timeleap. You've already seen some photos and details of the dashboard and how it's going to look like. Kevin is working on the infrastructure side and he's already updated you guys on it. My side of the job includes working on the GhostFS and the client side of the storage solution, so you can mount it on your computers and also access it through the web user interface, either from your mobile phones or from any restricted areas that don't let installation of the Timeleap client. This includes, of course, organizations like governmental organizations that GhostFS is already working with. Both of these methods, either native integration or the web UI, require you to have a username and an access token. These are configured on the GhostFS side, on the server side, and these will be exposed on the dashboard that Kevin is making so you can easily manage them. But when you have this username and the token, it's really easy to work with it. I will show you how to sign into the web UI, upload a few files, what are the features, etc, and then we move to the native integrations. So right now on my screen, you can see the sign-in screen to the GhostFS UI. I pre-filled already the username and the token. As soon as you sign in, you can see the root of your file storage. This account is new, so it doesn't really have any content in it, and now I'm going to go on and upload a few stuff to it so you can see how it works. I can either use the upload button here or drag and drop a few files, but I'm just going to show you the drag and drop process because it's easier in my opinion. I just open the files that I prepared, I click on them, drag and drop into the UI, and it's uploaded. You can also upload directories, so you don't have to upload the files one by one. If you have a directory that you want to upload, you can just take it and drop it into the UI, and it's there. You can see the files. If you right click on them, you can download, cut, copy, paste. You can move the files around. You can share them with someone. Even if they don't have GhostFS. Basic file operations already, you can select multiple files and download multiple files or delete multiple files. And for certain file types, there is preview also built in, for example, text files, images. If I open the ghost folder, for example, and I open some of these photos, the preview is going to be displayed inline. Now, let's say that okay, web UI, cool. It's useful for situations where you cannot install the GhostFS client on the computer that you're working with. Maybe you are in a restricted environment. Maybe it's a governmental environment that has the doesn't allow installation of third-party software for any reason, or you're on mobile phone, etc. You can use the web UI. But let's say that you're using Windows or Linux or macOS. There is native integration, so you don't really have to use the web UI. So how it works is that the GhostFS drive is going to be mounted on your file system as a network drive, and I'm going to show you. So you can see here that GhostFS mount is appearing there, and if I click on it and open it, the files that I just uploaded are there, right? So this way you can basically use any applications that you have on your system to work with these files as if they were local files, right? So if I want to open this video in VLC, I just click on it and it opens in VLC. GhostFS supports streaming, so it means that in order to start watching a video, you don't have to download the video, you don't have to download the entire file. You just open the file and it starts streaming. And if I go, for example, in the middle of the video file to here, there's no delay, there is no lag, because VLC knows that it needs to start reading from the middle of the file, so there is no network cost there. It doesn't need to load all the minutes, all the content of the file up to that point. You can just click any point in the video or in whatever data that you're working with, and it will be there because it supports streaming, right? Okay, and then any other application that you have, let's say that you're working on a project and you're hosting it on Timeleap network. Okay, so you want to send files there, GhostFS drag and drop your files, either in web UI or in command line or in Finder or File Explorer or whatever you have. Or let's say that you want to work on the project that is completely on the VM that you rented from Timeleap. Okay, cool. You mount it there and you use VS Code just like you would on your local files. And all the files are there, all of them are synced. You save it, it immediately goes to your VM, etc. etc. I won't go into the technical details, and there will be guides on how to make this work. The dashboard that Kevin is going to make the management of accounts and storage very, very easy. So if you don't want to, you don't even have to touch the command line. And we are going to make it as easy as possible for end users, for hobbyists, for anyone who just wants the storage without the technicalities. And of course, the technical details, all the automation that you can run, all the CLI commands, all the config options that you can do for power users, for those who are hosting a project on it, will be shared separately in a technical documentation. I hope that you enjoyed this session, and I'm looking forward to see all of this in action. Thank you guys. Have a beautiful weekend.